Welcome to Akamai Cloud Computing video series. In the last video, we discussed the difference between PaaS, Iaas, and SaaS. And today, Fellipe will talk more about Iaas and specifically about compute and GPU on Akamai Cloud Computing. Over to Fellipe.
Thanks a lot, Yana. So this slide we're showing the main services that Akamai provides. So you see database as a service, platform as a service, and infrastructure as a service. So today we're focusing on this first line here, basically, which is CPU and GPUs. So just jump right into the portal. So when you go to the Akamai portal, the first thing you see it's the Linodes. So Linode is the actual virtual machines. So that's the same thing when you're working with Linode. You see some shortcuts on the main screen, but the main one is create Linode, of course, here in the middle. You see that you can choose many of the major distributions here, and then you have to select a region. So in my case, I'm in Sydney, so I would pick up here Sydney region. And then at the second part here, the third part, you'll find the types. So that's where it becomes important, even though Linode is really, really simple about what you can pick. The main categories here is the dedicated GPU, which you use for production workloads. The shared GPU doesn't mean you're sharing actual data or anything, any sort of security risk, but it means you're sharing the CPU, right? So there is no guaranteed throughput on here, so don't use that probably for production or where you need really predictable throughput. So, but you see the price is very, very low compared. And also the other thing you notice across all services, the prices are in US dollars, and that's a big advantage on looking at Akamai Cloud. All the products the prices are shown US dollars, and that doesn't change regardless of the region you're using it. The other categories you have here are just basically in case you need more memory or more CPU intensive. And then finally, you have here the GPUs. So you see all RTX 6000, so they don't offer you too many other options, but they do have plenty of options within the GPU type. One thing I must say here is if you're comparing the price, you find out maybe you'll find in some other provider the hourly price should be a little bit less, say $1, but make sure you're comparing things that are equivalent. So this is a high-end market GPU. So depending on your needs, make sure you check how many CUDA cores, and especially like for your type of workload, what that CPU is giving you, so the GPU is giving you. So it's very, very likely that the price is going to be competitive. So we're going to be sharing a white paper about the GPU benchmarks in the video. And then the other things you can do for Linodes is the marketplace. So if you want to create a virtual machine, but you want to pre-install some software on it, you can pick from the marketplace. You see lots of software here. Some of them are more advanced than others, but they all basically get you that software running. Some of them with DNS, some of them with backups, some of them databases. So make sure you check these. Stack scripts will be your own custom installation. So say you got a virtual machine running, then you want to install something on it, you can use stack script, which is basically shell scripts. And then on the backup side, you can do schedule backups by enabling them here. You can, from those backups, you find the images, and you can also do like a clone from an existing node, so also become an image, and then you can restore it from. So that pretty much cover the Linode and the GPU, and we'll be covering more in the next session.
Thank you, Fellipe. I hope now everyone has a bit of a better understanding of where to find the GPU and compute on the Akamai Cloud portal. And in upcoming videos, we'll delve deeper into other features. But you don't have to wait. If you would like to explore Akamai Cloud features firsthand, please make sure to use the link below. You can register and receive $100 cloud credit to begin your exploration. Thank you, everyone, and we're looking forward to see you in the next video.
Thank you.